Take on multiple messes, indoors and outdoors, with the 2-in-1 electric pressure washer plus wet dry vac, now in an extra compact package. Sun Joe combines the power of a pressure washer with a high-performance vacuum at the flick of a switch for the ultimate dirt decimating duo. There's no need for two tools when one does it all. With its 13-amp pressure washer motor and 5.7-amp vacuum motor, you'll always have the right solution for any situation, wet or dry. Sun Joe's ultra-lightweight design weighs just 17 pounds to make your cleaning chores more mobile than ever, generating up to 1,500 psi of pure cleaning power. Sun Joe quickly eliminates the most stubborn gunk, grease, and grime. Let this dual dynamo do the dirty work for you around the house, car, porch, patio, deck, and driveway. The included 10 fluid-ounce foamer cannon attaches to the end of Sun Joe's high-pressure lance to quickly break down even the most stubborn gunk and grime. And when there's a spill, don't switch tools. Just flick a switch and you'll have the super suction wet-dry vacuum that's perfect for leaks, dust, and more. Tap into Sun Joe's suite of handy attachments to suit any cleaning task. In the car, around the house, the shed, or anywhere else in need of a quick clean. And when the job is done, simply remove the collection tank to quickly and easily dispose of dirt, debris, and liquid. For the versatility and performance that you demand, go with Joe, the SPX7001E 2-in-1 pressure washer plus wet dry vac from Sun Joe. Get equipped.